Hi, my name is Noah Pauls. For my final project in 6-1-15 in the spring 2020 semester, I created a 6502 microprocessor emulator using a Cypress PSoC 5LP development kit. I also used a PSoC 4 Pioneer kit to create a custom memory-mapped peripheral chip that adds 2 output ports to the 6502 emulator system. Let me show you how the whole thing works. The 6502 emulator is implemented here on the PSoC 5LP development kit. It uses firmware to do all of the decoding and execution of assembly instructions. If you want to load a new assembly program onto the device, you can use the serial connection to send an Intel hex file with the assembly you want. As the processor runs, it will update the address bus displayed on this LED bank and its data bus displayed on this LED bank. The data bus is currently connected to the PSoC 4 Pioneer kit, which is acting as a memory-mapped peripheral chip. It gives the 6502 system 2 extra general-purpose output ports to play with. So when the emulator sends certain store memory instructions to specific addresses, the peripheral chip will recognize those addresses as itself, and then take the contents of the data bus and display it on the relevant output port. Currently, the program that's running is incrementing a decimal count, and then the peripheral chip is displaying those decimal digits on its 7-segment displays, which are connected to the output ports. The fact that the emulator is implemented in firmware means that I can slow down the execution speed of the processor. Here I am executing about 1 instruction every half a second, which gives me a very powerful tool for debugging 6502 assembly code, because I can see exactly what's going on in the processor. I can also use the character LCD on the 5LP development kit to display the values of registers that would be otherwise difficult to read. And so I can see right now the program counter and the current opcode being decoded. There's a lot more to the PSoC 6502 emulator than what I've shown here, but I hope this video has given you at least a tiny slice of what this thing is capable of. Thanks for watching.